Shout for joy in Yahuah, you righteous. Praises fitting for the straight. Praise Yahuah with the lyre. Sing to him with an instrument of 10 strings. Sing to him a new song. Play sweetly with a shout of joy. For the word of Yahuah is straight, and all his works are in truth, loving righteousness and right ruling. The earth is filled with the kindness of Yahuah. By the word of Yahuah, the Shamim were made, and all their host by the breath of his mouth, gathering the waters of the sea together as a heap, laying up the deep in storehouses. Let all the earth revere Yahuah. He commanded, and it stood fast. Yahuah brings the counts of the nations to naught. He thwarts the plans of the peoples. The counsel of Yahuah stands forever, the plans of his heart to all generations. Baruch is the nation whose Elohim is Yahuah, the people whom he has chosen as his own inheritance. Yahuah has looked from the Shamayim. He has seen all the sons of men. He looked from his dwelling place on all the inhabitants of the earth. He who fashions the hearts of them all. He who understands all their works. The sovereign is not saved by the multitude of an army. A mighty man is not delivered by great strength. A horse is a vain means of safety, neither does it rescue any by its great power. See, the eye of Yahuah is on those revering him, on those waiting for his kindness, to deliver their being from death, and to keep them alive during scarcity of food. Our being has longed for you. Our help and our shield is he. For our heart rejoices in him. For we have put our trust in his Kodesh name. Let your kindness, O Yahuah, be upon